The nature of our reality is vibrational. Yes, that's the nature of reality. The yogis have known this forever. Yes, that all expressed reality is a vibrational expression, right? A certain intensity expressed in a certain way and then observed by a particular nervous system, and that vibration showing up to that nervous system in a particular shape and form, right? So it's two parts to the vibration itself, and then the receiver or the perceiver of the vibration giving it a particular resonant quality. Yes, same thing. The exposure to a particular vibration potentially has the possibility where you can catch that and there can be resonance. Yes, the potential and the possibility is there. But the student has to participate in it, cannot remain passive. Do you understand? So it's an active participation, not just a vegetative state of passivity. It's not somebody just doing it to you. Yes, it's a dance together. So that's the resonance, right? And in yoga, that's what we are really learning. We are learning the art of this, how to move into a more resonant life. A resonant life is greater and greater synchronicity, greater and greater magic. Yes? You can be in a moment and you are experiencing certain deep magic, and the person next to you might have no clue. Yes, there are multiple possibilities hiding in every moment. Multiple possibilities hiding in every moment.